Hi friends, Andrew Carruthers here, Education Director for Sam Villa. Are you a discerning hairdresser that has a need for speed from your blow dryer? Well, we developed the dryer with you in mind. This is the new Sam Villa Artist Series blow dryer, and we've crammed a full-size AC motor into a very lightweight, very compact package. So what does that mean to you? It means that in a lighter, smaller package, you're actually getting more airspeed than comparable dryers in this particular category. So if you're looking for something really high speed to get things done even faster behind the chair, we know you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching.